If you've ever wondered what all the hype is about with nitric oxide supplements, this one definitely packs in a lot of ingredients. I was sent this by the brand to try out, and what surprised me most is how many different circulation and endurance support ingredients they combined into this one formula. I do use other products by Clean Nutra, and they always do a great job at including lots of top ingredients in one product. So you really do get the most bang for your buck with their things. So this product is a nitric oxide booster that's designed for both men and women. And it's focused on supporting your circulation, your endurance, muscle performance, and just overall vitality, really. So one thing that really stood out to me right away is their great ingredient list, like usual. This particular one combines beetroot powder, taurine, L-Arginine, this one's hard to pronounce, citrulline, malic, pine bark extract, grapeseed extract, pomegranate, vitamin C, B vitamins, beta-alanine, and more. So there is a lot in this. And if you have already looked into workout or circulation supplements before, you've probably seen or heard a lot of those ingredients sold separately. And again, that's what I really like, is that this combines so many things into one product rather than needing bottles of each of those sitting on the counter. And Clean Nutra just does a great job of that. I also like the fact that the capsules are a nice manageable size, not too big at all. And if you know me and you've watched my other videos, you know I don't do well with big pills. So this is a definite plus. And I also like that they don't focus with this formula on workouts. It's also designed to support healthy circulation as well as just daily wellness overall. So the beetroot, the arginine, and the citrulline are commonly used to support nitric oxide production and blood flow, while the other things that are in there, like grapeseed extract, pomegranate, and pine bark, those are included for antioxidant and circulatory support, so they work together well. And then the taurine, the glycerol, the beta-alanine are geared more towards your endurance, your hydration, and muscle support. Honestly, this really feels like more of a full body performance and vitality blend instead of just a basic pre-workout supplement that you take. And I also like the fact that they did add B vitamins and vitamin C, which also just increases the energy and wellness support. Probably what surprised me most is how much they've put in here, just how comprehensive this formula is and how much is packed in. So overall, I think this is a great supplement for people that are looking for circulation, endurance, or workout support in one supplement without having to piece together a bunch of separate ingredients.